So all about West Bengal. Okay, so you can see this red bordered, okay, red border portion is actually the West Bengal. Okay, you can see in the lower part it is Kolkata and the upper part it is written as Siliguri. Okay, so mostly West Bengal is divided in two parts. One is North Bengal, another is South Bengal. The upper part is North Bengal and lower part is obviously South Bengal. Okay, in the South Bengal the capital is located, capital of West Bengal, that is Kolkata. Okay, you can see Kolkata is almost nearby sea level. Okay, the Sea of Bengal. Okay, the Bay of Bengal actually. Okay, so Bay of Bengal is very adjacent to Kolkata. And another thing is that Kolkata is joined, okay, well transported, well connected through water transport also. Okay, from Bay of Bengal it is well connected. That's why it is easier to do some industrialization at this location. Okay, and one thing, so first I would like to go toward the North Bengal. Okay, so you can see now that Siliguri was the actually Siliguri is the part of Darjeeling district and as well as Jalpaiguri district. Some part of Siliguri is Darjeeling district and some part is of Jalpaiguri district. Okay, apart from Jalpaiguri, some other two districts are there in the North Bengal ending. Okay, so Alipurduar and another is Kachbihar. After this Assam starts. Okay, the state of Assam starts. You can see in the upward direction after Alipurduar it is actually Bhutan. Okay, so Bhutan is another country. Okay, so Alipurduar portion, Jalpaiguri is also joined to that. And at this side means Darjeeling side it is Sikkim. Okay, after Darjeeling it is the state is Sikkim, that is the capital of Sikkim is known as Gangtok. So Sikkim is there, and little bit part of Darjeeling is joined with this, sharing the border with Nepal. Okay, this is the Nepal, this portion is Nepal actually. Okay, so you can see here, so this is the Nepal, left side of the Siliguri. Okay, Nepal is another country, you people know. And so after Siliguri it is coming towards very narrow portion. Okay, Islampur, Kishanganj is not inside the Bengal actually, it is in the state of Bihar. Okay, Kishanganj is very periphery region. Okay, and after this Islampur you can see Raiganj and Gangarampur. Okay, Balurghat is actually very adjacent to Bangladesh border. Okay, and Malda, after Malda it is completed, means up to Malda only this is North Bengal. After that it is coming to South Bengal from Murshidabad itself. This Rampurhat is in the district of Birbhum. Okay, so Birbhum district, and Asansol is under the Bardhaman district. Okay, so Bakura likewise. So this portion you can see left side Dhanbad is located. Okay, so Dhanbad is actually in the state of Jharkhand. Okay, so Jharkhand is the bordering with West Bengal, as well as here you can see Bhubaneswar or Jamshedpur is also Jharkhand, but Bhubaneswar, this lower part, this part is Balasar. Okay, so this part is actually Bihar, Orissa. So Orissa is also joined. So overall you can say how many states are joining with sharing the border with West Bengal. So here Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar, and their Sikkim. Okay, and another this side is Assam. So these are the states which are sharing border with West Bengal. So Kolkata is the capital. So you can see here this is So this is the Hooghly River. Okay, Hooghly River is going towards Bay of Bengal through the capital of West Bengal, that is Kolkata. That's why it is very industrial. Okay, Hooghly River, you can see this is the very large dimension here, you can see. So Sagar Island, Ganga Sagar is there, so Sagar Island here. Okay, so Bakhali, so this is actually South 24 Pargana, we say. Here it is Sundarban. Okay, you know Sundarban is shared by two states, not two states, two countries, India and Bangladesh. So India shares 40% of Sundarban and Bangladesh shares 60% of Sundarban area. Okay, so this is the basic feature of West Bengal. Okay, thank you.